Where do you turn after a car accident? You're shaken, you're confused. What should you do first? Well, Joe Brown of Accident Law Group, he is with us this morning to give us his expertise. My goodness, you've been there. You've been in a crash. You've been on all sides of this dynamic. What is the first thing we should do?
Always contact the police. Get a police report and then go get checked out. All right. That's the most important thing.
And then, of course, call an attorney if you can, because they're going to guide you. You're everywhere. I see you all over the place, and it's specifically in the West Valley. Why is it so important for you to make sure you reach those customers?
Well, if you ever drive in the West Valley, traffic is crazy. And unfortunately, with crazy traffic comes a lot of car accidents. We want to be close to our clients. Our clients don't want to drive 45 minutes to an office downtown or in Tempe or in North Phoenix. So we want to be close because they're in pain. We want to get them in, sit them down, help them out, get them home so they can start resting and start healing.
And your company is growing at a crazy pace. You're opening a new location.
Correct. We had a new location here in about 10 days at 95th Avenue in McDowell. We are growing, and the most important thing about that, and the most pleasing thing as a firm owner, is that our #1 referral source is not all the TV ads. It's our prior clients. That means we're doing a good job. They're sending their friends and family when they're in an accident, and that means we're doing a good job and we're doing the right things.
Word of mouth, of course, is what probably most people lean on, but you are in a lot of commercial spots as well. What is what is the message that you want customers to receive and your clients to receive?
Well, they're customers, they're clients, they're not a number. You know, we design every case according to what they need. My experience as an insurance adjuster, I use that to figure out what each person needs. We want to present their best case. We want to make sure we get them better. Most importantly, we sit down and say, okay, what hurts, and who do we get you to if you need help finding a doctor so that you do feel better? Because frankly, if you're not better, who cares?
Right, and you were an insurance adjuster and a successful one at that. You are now an attorney. You've been on both sides of this table. Why is that a benefit to someone who you represent and to ALG's success?
Well, because when we're sitting down, I can say, okay, this is what you're experiencing. Well, this is how we properly document it, so the insurance company understands what's going on. If you get the adjuster to understand what your client's feeling, it's a lot easier to get that case settled. And you get your client a more fair settlement, more money in their pocket. And if you don't understand the system, you don't understand what they're looking for, you don't really know how to present that appropriately. And you're left with either low offers or forcing your client to file a lawsuit to get something fair.
Because that phone's going to ring quickly after the crash. We're going to hear from our insurance, either our company or the other party's company, and there are things we should and should not do.
Do not give a recorded statement. Most important thing. I can tell you right now, they're going to call you sometimes within an hour, hour and a half. You do not have your faculties. You're still figuring out what's going on. They want to record a statement. What happened? At what point did you see the other car? How far were you? People aren't good with distances. These are all questions that, as an insurance adjuster, they taught us to ask quickly, and they lead to clients making mistakes. And when they make a mistake, well, now all of a sudden you're a liar. You didn't tell the truth, and therefore you must have no validity in your claim, and your injuries must be exaggerated. Those are all things we're going to help you avoid, and we're going to handle those things. Take them off your plate. Let you focus on getting better, which is the most important thing.
And here's the cool thing. He's already been on both sides, so he'll know those questions to ask. Always great advice, and congrats on your new location.
Thank you very much.
Let's give you some information. Accident Law Group has offices valley-wide. Dial **ALG to find a location near you, or visit the website accidentlawgroup.com.